It's a great thing that he comes over to the island, obviously, because we don't have a permanent vet on islands. He's been a great help to us.
I'm Dr. Grant, veterinarian from Nassau, but actually here in Bimini for the weekend. We had initially a major problem of stray dogs on North Bimini, and that was in the early 2000s. On the south of Bimini, in terms of the population there, it's more of a challenge of cats. To mitigate against that, we've had our spay neuter projects, trapping, neutering, and spaying and releasing them, and vaccinating them, of course. Cats, however, pose a big problem in terms of them killing birds. The Bimini boa, is an endangered species. Cats, of course, have to feed, and then they go, of course, after lizards and snakes and birds. And so what we're trying to do now is to try to correct that, to have a proper balance. And that's where it's why it's so important for us to spay and neuter them, so that we don't have them then killing the boas especially, and then decimating the populations. About say 25 years ago, I fortuitously met Dr. Gruber, and he got to talking just about Bimini. I was actually on the island of Grand Bahama at the time, where I practiced, and the Biminites used to have to take the animals on the plane and take it to Freeport, to the practice, and return to Bimini, which was really an encumbrance and a hassle for them. And I was just discussing it with him that, hey doc, I have this challenge, and he said, hey, well, guess what? The Shark Lab is on the south. I'd be happy to have you use the Shark Lab to provide service to the people of Bimini. They've been so good to him. I just immediately go to the Shark Lab, and we had everything all arranged with the clients bringing in all their dogs and cats. We perform surgeries right there at the lab, and then Dr. Gruber was kind enough to provide the staff, the volunteers at the Shark Lab, who for all these years have consistently been my assistants. And so that's how we all got started. And Dr. Gruber has since passed on, but his legacy remains, and thanks again and kudos to the Shark Lab.